That are subscribed to my channel already would have probably seen the video where I show you how to change your grout to be black, but you could probably use any colour. I think the stuff that I used does come in other colours. If you haven't seen the video, I will link it in the description below, but I'm kind of tired of the black now. I do want to change it back to white, so I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. You will see there is a bit of section here in where the bath is, and I'm not doing that in this video because there's a whole lot of it to do, so that's for another video. But I'm just sticking to this section and I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get straight into the transformation. Sorry, just before we start the video, I completely forgot that I didn't finish off the radiator cover, so it was all painted to match the panelling. And yeah, I never finished the middle section, so I'm going to do that quickly, and then I'll get onto the grouting of the tiles. Just while I'm here as well, this frame, I don't know if it's going to stay here. Well, it's not going to be on here. I'll probably put it up on the wall, but this frame was from Sue Ryder charity shop and it was £10. Well, it didn't have a sticker on, and the lady was just like, I'll do it for £10. I was like, great, I'll take it. So yeah, this is a lovely piece. It's kind of got the like bronze, it has got a bit of red or orange there, which, sorry, my nails are not done. I'm going to paint in those sections. I'm just going to get like a bronze paint and fill in that section, just so you can't see that. But yeah, I'm in love with it. I also went, while I was there, I was just having a look around for some other frames, and I came across a few others, so I'll just get those quickly. Okay, so I've got this one here. So this is just a smaller one. That was £1. So again, like really, really nice. Just a small piece, photo frame that you could put a nice piece of artwork in. And then this one, which already had the artwork in, which I think is really cute, and that was £2, and it's just got the back if you want to have it stood up. But my idea was to put it like behind the toilet. Let me show you what I mean. So like that. Really random place to put a photo frame, but I've got this large section of like the wall, and I just think it just adds a bit of something. So if you are on the hunt for some photo frames like this, or just anything in general really, Sue Ryder or any charity shop will have like nice, wonderful pieces that you wouldn't normally come across in certain stores or online. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this piece for sure. But now let me just quickly get on to covering the insert, like that section there of the radiator cover, and then we'll get on to the actual video. So I'm just going to turn this around this way. Okay, so we're going to use the same fabric as what I used before. So I've still got that here, and I have just given it a bit of an iron. So we just want to get the glue gun, which is here. And I'm just going to start from the top, so make sure that you, when you do use the glue gun, that you've got some sort of something to cover underneath, because obviously this is holy, so it will go through. So I'm just going to glue it on top of the actual like base. And then quickly turn it over and lay it on the top. Okay, so we're just going to keep doing that on all sides until it's all secure. you want to try and do as well is when you are gluing it down, you want to make sure that you are kind of pulling the fabric a little bit, just so that it is quite tight. So I'm just going to carry on and do the rest. Okay, so that should be all sorted. So, just lift it up. There you have it. So now we have the radiator cover all nice and put together. And yeah, I think this frame really does work quite nicely in here. So what I'm thinking is kind of like here. Let me just pull this back so you can see. So my thought process behind this frame being in the bathroom was that it's going to go on this wall, and it's going to be kind of midway between the panelling and the wall. But now I'm looking at it in the screen. Don't know whether it will look nice being just on the painted wall rather than on panelling as well. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you think it will be better up here or kind of in between. But this photo is either going to go in here anyway or in the bedroom, because I'm going to be doing another transformation in there, because yeah, you know when you just get sick and tired of seeing the same colour, and the walls in my bedroom, yeah, I'm kind of over it. So I think I want to go for this kind of shade. Yeah, we'll see. But let's get on to the tiles. Now that we've got all of the base ready, so we've removed everything from the surface, we've cleaned all the tiles down, now we want to get the prep for re-grouting the tiles. So originally I brought this grout remover. You just kind of rub it in the grout sections and it just removes what's there. So okay, I was going to use that, and then I saw somebody using on an Instagram reel something like this. It wasn't this specific one, I think you can get them from anywhere, but this is ready to use Fix and Grout. So I'm going to give this a try. If this doesn't work, then I've got my little grout remover thing, so I can just go ahead and scratch. But can you imagine using that on all of that section of the bath? Oh my gosh, okay, not thinking about it. So yeah, let's just start this video. I'm going to let you watch obviously everything that I do, so you'll see all the mistakes I probably will make. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So you want to make sure that the surface is all clear. Oops. You want to make sure the surface is all clear. Make sure that you're cleaning the surface as well, so I'm just using some Dettol wipes. Just make sure you get right in the grout sections as well. So as always, I'm just going to go straight in with it and hope for the best. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's quite a thick consistency. I'm just going to use my finger to just rub it in. I don't know if this is the right way. Again, this is all just trial and error with you guys. Yeah. I think the thicker the better, so it actually covers. These gloves are ridiculous. But yeah, the thicker the better. Maybe what I need to use is something that's going to glide across so that I'm not actually removing the grout. I could probably use, maybe does that work? No. Almost need like a card. Let me have a look and see if I can find something. Okay, so I found this. So this is just a spatula or something. I think I got it in a set when I was like a face mask set. But this probably will work. So if you've not got anything like this, I'm not expecting you to have something like this, but you could probably just use a bank card or something. I don't know if that's going to work. Because it does take it off and then you can like apply it in there. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm just going to continue and hope for the best. Oh yeah, that works perfectly. It's almost like baking a cake. Well, not baking a cake, but the icing. So this is how it works with the spatula. So just bring some back if there's not any at the top, and then just glide it down. Do you know what I mean? It just works a lot better. It's actually really satisfying. And you can see that it is all on the tiles here as well, like the excess. That's fine. I'm just going to leave it a bit to dry and then we'll probably just wipe that off. I think the aim is, when you're using this, is that you actually get it on the actual section. So like really try and focus on just getting that grout stuff in the groove, basically, rather than get it all over the tile, because it's a lot messier. But yeah, this all needs to kind of dry further, so I'm going to leave it. Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly interrupt this video and just kind of explain as to why I'm actually filming this. So I do live in a rental property, and I know that quite a few people obviously rent as well, and it is quite hard sometimes when you do want to change up your rooms and there's not so much stuff that you can or are even allowed to do. So I'm really fortunate in my property where I can kind of paint the walls and like do as I please, but when it came to the bathroom I just thought, is there something else that I could maybe do before going ahead with changing the tiles completely, plus just for like cost reasons and things like that. So yeah, I came across obviously to grout the tiles, which I've done, but then I also came across this like self-adhesive film, and it's in like a stone effect. I'll just take this off so you can see. I don't know if you can see that a bit clearer, but it's just a stone effect film, and it just, on the back you just peel it off and then stick it to the tile. I don't know if this is going to work, whether it's going to be durable, but I'm going to give it a try, and obviously film it so you can see, and I'll probably let you know as well, like whether it lasts a long time or if it is just a flop. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and just say that. I will link this down below as well. It's just from Amazon, but you can probably get it from other DIY stores and things like that. But yeah, so I'm just going to get back onto the video and see you in a bit. Right, this is quite an awkward position to be in, but it's the only way you're going to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, and as I say, the front is like this, and then the back has all of the kind of squared like markings. So the best way to do this is to get one of the tiles and just line it up to where you want it to go. So here to the line of where the grout is, and then to the next section, which is over this side. Once you've got one tile, then you can just kind of reuse it for the rest. And then the same again. Maybe I should turn it this way actually. I don't know. Like I say, I always do this trial and error. So that's at the top, and then here to the bottom. Okay, I'm just going to cut that out now and hope for the best. Then you're going to peel that off, make sure it's the right way that you want it to go. So I want the lines facing this way. And I'm just going to do this tile just so that you can see. And then I'm going to start all the way from this way. And look, if it goes down wrong, you can peel it back up. That's the best thing about this. So it's fine if you get it wrong. There we go. And if you need to cut off some excess, just peel it back up. I suppose I should have used a Stanley knife maybe for the edges, but it's fine. And that is one tile. And then just breathe out all of the bubbles if there is any, because there might be. You can kind of push them out. There we go. One done. Now, using the back of the first square, you can just keep cutting a load out if you want. There are some tiles like here at the back which are smaller than this size, so I'll count how many seem to be this size and cut them all out. But yeah, I'm happy with it, so far so good. And here is the finished result. I'm really impressed with how this has turned out. It almost looks as if I've changed the tiles, which is exactly the look I was going for. If you do give this video a try, please do let me know, and if you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!